8 tech careers with no code. Network engineer are responsible for designing, monitoring, and managing the local and wide area network of an organization. This position includes designing system configuration, documenting and managing the installation of a new network. Salary, average, $87,248. Cloud engineer are responsible for an organization technology infrastructure and exploring options to move the cloud. They're also responsible for maintaining the system. Salary, average, $103,769. Quality assurance tester develops test plans to test new and existing software, debug code, and improve the usability of software programs. Salary, average, $110,000. UI/UX designers design what the users actually see on the application screen, such as text, colors, background icons, and moving elements like animations. They also are responsible for making products enjoyable and accessible. Designers conduct user research to identify user needs, goals, and behaviors. Salary, average, $67,000. Tech recruiter. Tech recruiters are human resource specialists that help in the proper staffing of technical positions within an organization. They meet with members of management and identify job openings. Salary, average, $65,000. Cyber Security Analyst. Cyber professionals who specialize in network and IT infrastructure security. Cyber Security Analysts anticipate cyber attacks, malware, and the behavior of cyber criminals. Salary, average, $78,490. Product manager. Product managers are responsible for the success of the product the engineering team is working on, articulating what a winning product looks like, rallying the team to build it, iterating until we get it right. Salary, average, $97,249. Scrum Master helps manage information exchange among team members such as project manager and engineering team. They build consensus on next steps to keep everybody on task following agreed upon rules. They do everything they can do to maximize the team performance. Work with team members to establish timelines for project stages. Ensure their team has the resources needed to complete the task. Ensure the team follows best Scrum practices throughout the project. Hold meetings after the project stages to review progress and setbacks. Salary, average, $95,899.